This is a thick sound. Holy moly. Oh my goodness. This is an L3 baritone with Torrefied Spruce. Beautiful rosewood back and sides. The L3 series doesn't have kerfing, it's solid lining, which helps with that kind of tone. 2 carbon fiber rods in the neck. That's standard for these, and over the L1 and L2 series, it is, you know, an upgrade in the overall response. It's like a mini guitar without the bass strings. I mean, this is a bass string here, but jeez. This is a very limited model. So up on the faceplate here is the Palila bird. These birds primarily live on the top of Mauna Kea and feed primarily on the mamani tree. Both the bird and the trees are a part of the they're like extremely on the verge of
endangered.
Extremely endangered. I don't even know what I'm saying. Both the Palila bird and the trees that they feed on are extremely endangered. And this is a really nice tribute to this bird. It's a beautiful bird. And Sorry, I want to noodle a little bit more if that's cool. Jeez, the bass response on this.